Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to transfer wallets within Binance. Let's start! You can also do this in Binance app using your smartphones, or you can do this via Binance.com. So let's go to so let me just choose what I want to transfer. I want to transfer Bitcoin from my funding wallet to fiat and spot. So what I will do is I will go to my funding wallet first. And this is where you can see a view of all your crypto that you store. So say, for example, I want to transfer Bitcoin. So this is the first on my list. So if you toggle your mouse over to these three little dots right here, there's an option for send, withdraw, and transfer. I will use transfer. And then default is always fiat and funding. So just click this arrows, two arrows in the last part, and it will give you, or it would basically swap or swatch, funding wallet to fiat. So say, for example, I would want to transfer just, 0.0001 Bitcoin. Mind you guys, if you're going to transfer, if there's like internal transfers of wallet in Binance just for free, you're not gonna pay network fees. So I will hit on confirm, and so I'd say it has already been deducted or taken from my funding wallet. Now let's see if that was successful going to our fiat and spot. So let's wait, and we'll lead you to this page and see if it's already posted. And there you go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something for today, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.